My room's empty, but I still have boxes to open, so let's get right to it. Hey friends, welcome back to my empty sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to dive into the July 2021 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a monthly sewing themed subscription box. It usually includes a pattern, a block of the month, some notions, and of course, a pattern and fabric. If you want to find out more details about this, you can check out the link in the first comment down below this video. Let's get started. So here is the box. I need something to cut the tape with. This might be a problem. All of my drawers are empty. Forgot I had a pair of paper scissors stashed away. Let's cut the tape. The theme for the month of July is wild and free. I've not had any time to look at any spoiler alerts, so I'm going to be completely surprised about what's in here. I didn't even know what the theme was this month. The only thing I did know is that the July box was delayed, and that's just because I got an email. All right, on the back side of this card, there are 2 coupons for members. The first one is 20% off of any Fat 8 bundles, which is really kind of cool. And then another one for 20% off of Olfa Endurance blades. So you need a new blade for your rotary cutter. Now you got a coupon for it. All right. Oh my goodness. I went to pull out the little card to just get it prepped to tell you about the items in here, and I see the fabric, and I'm in love. We'll get to that last. I know, suspense. It makes for a great video. All right, we have a little pamphlet that tells us about all the items that are inside this month's box, so let's just dive in so I can show you the good stuff. Oh my gosh, I just cannot wait to show you what this is. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, first up, you probably already guessed it if you know Fat Quarter Shop's theme. We have an Olfa Endurance blade. This is a 45mm rotary blade that you can use in your rotary cutter. It retails for $13.48, and the nice thing about the Endurance blades from Olfa is they do last a little bit longer than your typical Olfa blade. I use the Martelli rotary cutter, and I always use Martelli blades in them. I have had a few people ask me if you can use the Olfa blades in the Martelli rotary cutter, and the answer is, I don't know. I think Martelli would tell you to use a Martelli blade, but I think I've heard a few people say that Olfa blades will fit in a Martelli rotary cutter. So just putting that out there. These are good blades, but I will probably put this in a giveaway since I only use Martelli blades. But this is a really good blade. We have a block of the month card for block number 4 in the Bright Side Quilt Along series from Fat Quarter Shop. And I actually have a video showing you how to assemble block 1 and 2 right here on this channel. I am working on a video for block 3, and now I'll have to add block 4 to that pile. This is what the block will look like this month. Really kind of pretty. These patterns retail for $4.99. So if you're not a Sew Sampler subscriber and you want to do the sew along with me, just use the link in the first comment down below this video to get the PDF version of this pattern, and then meet me back over here on YouTube and we'll put the block together. I got these in another box. I think it might have been the Ginger Quilter box, but we've got some more. You can never have enough. So I have got a string blade thread cutter. This is a pack of 3. And it retails for $9.98. The idea here is that you have a little piece of 3M tape on the back, and you can attach this to any surface, your desk, your sewing machine, whatever you want. And inside right here, there's a little blade that you can use to cut the threads, like when you're chain stitching or something like that. It cuts your loose threads off. These are a great option if you do not already have one built onto your machine, or if you don't have what I affectionately call my Ninja Flower, which is a blade saver that allows you to reuse your old rotary blades in a pretty flower display, makes it very portable and easy to cut your threads. If you want to get one of those blade savers, Stephanie does sell those in her Etsy shop, but I will link to that in the first comment down below this video. All right, we have got some Steady Betty stuff. We have a 3-pack of Betty bits. This is made by Steady Betty. And it looks like these are just little foam dots that are anti-slip that you put on the back of your ruler to keep your templates and rulers from sliding around. Yep. The front says, slippery ruler or template? The solution is the Betty bits. They're designed to press completely flat when you're using your ruler, so you get that perfect cut. When you press down on your ruler template, it will hold for a professional and accurate cut. Huh, that's actually kind of cool. I'll have to try it. I know there are other non-slip grip dots that you can put on the bottom of your ruler, but those add a little bit of height to your ruler and can make it difficult to get an accurate cut. So I would be interested to see how these work. Although, do keep in mind that this is foam on the back, and even though they'll press flat, well, those do smush really good. Even though these will press flat, you're not going to be able to see your fabric behind those dots. And that might be just fine for some of you. If you want to pick some of these up, this retails for $4.48. Fat Quarter Shop has done us a solid this month. Our pattern includes 2 different projects. You can make either a lap-size quilt or a set of 3 table runners. This is what the quilt will look like, and if you flip it over on the back, basically what they've done is they've taken the blocks and broken up these columns of the blocks into 3 table runners. So with the fabric that's included in the box and a little bit of extras, you can make either one of those. The quilt will measure 42.5 by 48.5, and then if you want to make the set of 3 table runners, each table runner will measure 18.5 by 48.5. These patterns retail for $9.98, but they are typically a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, meaning you're not going to get this pattern on the website most of the time. It comes in the box only. Oh man, and this just looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. And wait till you see the fabric. All right, so those are all the items in the box. Now it's time to take a look at the fabric. Are you ready? I am so ready. I can't wait to show you the fabric that we got this month. Where'd it go? Ah, yeah, here it is. I thought I lost it. We have a little miniature Fat 8th bundle of Christmas Morning from Lala Boutique. Let's open up the fabric bundle. I'm going to take one for the team, and I'm going to show you the prints that we got. Each one of these is a Fat 8th cut. Now, this little Fat 8th bundle does not include every single print that's in the fabric line. Honestly, this fabric line is pretty big, and the box would just be way too expensive if they gave us a full-sized Fat 8th bundle. But they have done an excellent job of picking out those major prints that just set this line apart, in my opinion anyway. This is a Christmas themed line, and so you've got lots of poinsettias and holly berries and beautiful flowers in a wonderful red, white, green, and gray color palette. This is actually a beautiful piece, and I might have to get some yardage of this. I think that would make an excellent background. Here's another one of those prints, only this time it's white flowers on a gray background instead of the gray flowers on a white. And we've got the same print, white flowers on a red background. This one to me kind of reminds me a little bit of cross stitch. What do you think? Got a lovely blender. And I'm loving this polka dot. She's been doing these polka dots as a good background for her last couple lines, and I kind of love them. I know she did it in folktail, and I really appreciated that. This one's really pretty too, and I think she might even have this in a green. I'd love to get my hands on that green. I think the red and the green and the white would make really pretty Christmas ornaments. All right, so our Fat 8th bundle includes 12 Fat 8s of Christmas Morning from Lala Boutique. So super stoked about this. The past couple months, I've seen a few of you not so pleased with the box. So I would be super interested to know what you guys thought of the box this month. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye.